Hey guys, Chris from Flow Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to install our window vents on a GR Corolla. Let's go. Window vents, what are they and why do you need it? So look, traditionally window vents are used for track days. So the reason why they exist is on track days, you probably don't want to turn on your aircon, so you've got to slow down in your car. The other thing is, a lot of track days, you can't open your windows as a safety hazard. So what they do allow, or at least at most track days, is allow you to have a window vent, which allows you to have air circulation in the car while also maintaining and meeting the safety regulations. Also, a lot of people use it just to basically show off as an aesthetic mod. It's an area of car that you normally can't mod. So you go to a car meet, pop it on, you're looking different, and it's a good source of conversation too. So with that out the way, let's go put them on the car. Okay, so our window vent installation is really easy. The thickness of this is basically the thickness of the glass. So you wind in the windows and they slot in, which I'll show you in a bit. You need to decide which window trim seal you want to use. So we've got two. We've got what we call the display trim. So it's a U-shaped channel that clips on the window vent, and there's rubber grooves at the back, which will stop any vibration against the window. The other one is what we call the performance trim. So this is a double-sided rubber trim or H channel. What this does is it sort of secures the window vent as well as the glass. So there's no way you can get into the car unless you smash your window. So with that out of the way, I'll show you how to get it on the car. Okay, so once you decide on what rubber trim to use, you need to cut it down to size. So on all our window vents, there's two markings. That just tells you the length of rubber you need. So you grab the rubber and you dock it down to size and then just simply slot it into a window vent and then we can put it onto your car. To cut it is easy, just a regular blade, or if you've got some chunky scissors, you can dock them off that way too. Okay, install's easy. On this side, I'll do the rubber trim with the U channel. So how you want to install it is open up the window. Open up the window. You want to just flex this and get it behind the rubber seals on both sides. Get one in first. Make sure you don't fold the rubber seal. And then just bend it in. Get it all the way to the top. And then close your window. Now you don't want to send it all the way up. You want to go slowly because it has a safety feature. It will go back down if it hits it too quickly. There you go. And then it's in there. Because we're using the display trim, the benefit of this is if you ever need to take it out, like, oh, it's raining or I'm going home, just take it out, chuck it in your car and close your window. Easy. Okay, this time on this side, I'm going to use the performance trim, which is the H channel. Now this is going to take a bit more time because it is going to seal the window as well as the window vent. And because a lot of the cars have that safety feature where if it hits against something hard or grabs on, it will go back down. So to install this, you're going to need a bit of patience. What I like to do is I grab a bit of soapy water just to soap up the channel for the first time use. But once the rubber forms to the car after a few uses, it'll be a lot easier. So I'll show you how to do that. First step is to open the window up. Now I want to fit the trim, same thing as before. Get behind the rubber seals on the window frame, bend it in, go up. And now I need to go up slowly, not all the way to the top. This is when you want a lot of soapy water. This is going to help the glass slide into the rubber. The kit also comes with little powder flop sticks to help you guide the trim into the glass. Same thing on the rear. Now it is tinted, so you want to be careful. That's why it's made of wood. So now I'm just going to just massage the rubber, work around the glass and go up slowly. Okay, it looks like I'm in. I'm just gonna go up now. Okay, a bit of a pro tip. Some of our window vents look like that, so there's got a bit of a tail on it because of the shape of the glass. So what you'll need to do is, especially for the H channel rubber, when you put it on, you're gonna have a bit of a sort of crinkle in the corner. So what you need to do is just grab a blade and notch out a V, so that way there's space for the rubber to sort of form around the window vent. So let's go and do that. And there you have it. Window vents on the car, two different trims you can choose from for two different purposes. So I hope this video was useful and thanks for watching.